Hello, online learners. Welcome to Principles of Microeconomics online class. My name is Tamina Morshed and I'll be your mentor for the next several weeks. This is our home page. Our classes will start from January 30th and will end on May 27th. That's a Saturday. If you want to check your announcements, click from this button. To check your syllabus, you can go from here. If you want to go to your modules, this is the link, and eventually when you want to check your grades, this should be your link. And let's start over here. So as a student view, if we go to your student view, you will start from here. And pay close attention, all of these circles has to be checked green, okay? So as if we'll get started from here. Once you read and when you're done, go to the bottom part of your page, click on Mark as done. Make sure you see the green button before you click the button Next. And in the second page, then you get to watch all the details about how to change your syllabus, your notification, review your syllabus, review the details of your homework and announcements. These are the important deadlines, due dates you should remember. So once you're done with all of those, again, mark as done. And then this should help you see that few of those empty circles, now we have green check marks. So remember, you need to complete all of these. Only then your textbook section will open up. And once you review your textbook section, only then your module 1 will open up. Okay, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully. And again, textbook is required for this class. So textbook, it's an ebook that will come with access code. So in each module, I'll give you 1 or 2 chapters. Your PowerPoint slides are posted here. Some of the sample examples, sometimes you'll watch some videos or read some articles, and only then you'll go and do your chapter exams and then participate in your discussion forum. And the rest, you will be doing your Applia assignments. So 30% of your grade will come from chapter exams. So I want you to take a look. 30% of your grade will come from Applia assignments, 30%. 30% of your 40% of your grade will come from discussion activities, and 30% will be weighted average grade will be coming from your chapter exams. And once we go to your module, click from here, and that will take you to the textbook access and purchase link. This is taking you directly to the Cengage website. So once you're done with registration, these are all your folders. So every time you open up a folder, you will see some assignments that are due. Okay? And when you open up this folder, part 1, only then you'll open up your chapter 1. And under pre-class activities, you have sample videos. This is your the link to access your ebook. And then in this section, homework and resources, only the ones that has the counts towards your grade, remember to do those. And the rest are all practice. So remember, most of the ones that has practice, those are just practice. You don't need to worry about the practice assignments if you're running out of time. And now I hope everything makes sense to you. And always remember, if there's any questions, you can always reach out to me. You can send an email directly from your you know, from the inbox, or you can go to help and ask question. From inbox, simply click on this link to compose email, or from help, ask a question to the instructor. This is the link, and then you look for our course, and that's how you'll send me the message. Hopefully everything makes sense, and good luck with everything. And I will wait to meet you, all of you, online. Thank you. Bye.